Hi there and welcome back to CiaoBedBugs. Today we're tackling a topic that can make anyone's skin crawl: bedbugs. These tiny blood-sucking pests can be an absolute nightmare to deal with, but fear not, because we've got you covered. Nature and science offer us a multitude of effective methods for getting rid of bedbugs for good. In this video we'll explore 12 natural ways to combat bedbugs and keep your home bug-free. In first place, we have steam cleaning. According to the Virginia Department of Entomology, bedbugs and their eggs will die when exposed to temperatures exceeding 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius. Clean steamers produce extremely high temperatures that are able to deal with bedbugs. The hot steam is directed into cracks, crevices and other hiding spots where bedbugs are nesting, quickly raising their body temperature and causing their immediate death from thermal shock. In second place, drying your clothes on high heat. Washing and drying on high heat mode is an effective method for eliminating bedbugs and their eggs from infesting clothes and bedding. Number 3. Applying double-sided tape. When placed on the legs of furniture or applied directly to surfaces, the tape's adhesive nature will immobilize bedbugs. As bedbugs attempt to either climb onto furniture or escape from it, they will become trapped on the tape. Find the bedbugs' line of travel and apply double-sided tape. Without blood to feed on, they will starve and die. However, do not forget to regularly replace the duct tape every few days. Number 4. Sprinkling Diatomaceous Earth. Food grade Diatomaceous Earth is a natural abrasive substance that can be sprinkled into areas where bedbugs are suspected to be. It can be effective in causing physical harm to the insects when they crawl over it. According to scientific research, the powder can help absorb lipids from the bedbugs' cuticle, causing them to dehydrate and dry out. Number 5. We have homemade rubbing alcohol spray. Rubbing alcohol can quickly dehydrate their bodies and disrupt their cell membrane, so you can use it to make a spray to kill bedbugs. Fill a spray bottle with rubbing alcohol and spray it on bedbugs. Also, spray the solution on areas where bedbugs might get in or are nested. In 6th place, we have essential oil. Certain essential oils such as lavender oil, eucalyptus oil, and tea tree oil, as well as peppermint oil, have natural insect repellent properties. The strong and sometimes pungent scent of these oils will deter bedbugs from coming into contact with the treated areas. Create a bedbug repellent spray by combining a few drops of lavender oil and tea tree essential oil with water in a spray bottle. In number 7, using caulk around your house. Bedbugs often infiltrate homes through openings around windows, doors, and walls. Blocking their entry points is a proactive measure to keep them out. Applying caulk to these hiding spots forms a protective barrier, preventing bedbugs from accessing or utilizing these areas as nests. Number 8. Using black walnut tea. Black walnut tea can repel bedbugs primarily through its strong and unappealing odor due to the presence of a compound called juglone. To apply this natural remedy, black walnut is brewed, diluted with water, and then sprayed in suspected bedbug hiding spots. And number 9, we have cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper repels bedbugs. The pungent odor from the compound capsaicin in cayenne pepper will irritate bedbugs upon contact. This discomfort will discourage bugs from hiding in or traversing treated areas. You can use cayenne pepper to create a protective barrier around sleeping areas or furniture. And number 10, we have baking soda. Baking soda is a desiccant that can absorb moisture, which will dehydrate bedbugs. When applied to common hiding spots such as mattress seams, cracks, and crevices, it will draw moisture from the bedbugs' bodies by disrupting the waxy exoskeleton of bedbugs and ultimately killing them. Number 11, we have DIY bedbug traps. Interceptor cups are designed to be placed under the legs of furniture such as beds and couches to capture bedbugs as they attempt to climb up or down the furniture. To create bedbug interceptor cups, start by placing small shallow containers under the legs of your bed or couch. Fill the container with a small amount of talcum powder or diatomaceous earth to make it impossible for bedbugs to climb in or out the trap. Last but not least, and for number 12, vacuuming. Vacuuming will contribute to reducing the bedbug population by capturing live bugs, their eggs, shed skin, and feces. Vacuum areas where bedbugs are likely to hide, using the highest suction power available. And as a bonus tip, using a hairdryer. Heat kills bedbugs by denaturing their proteins. A hairdryer will expose bedbugs to high heat, which will kill bedbugs and their eggs on contact. Place your hairdryer on high heat mode slowly and directly over bedbugs to kill them. And good luck luck if you're dealing with bed bugs, and remember, you can do it all on your own and on a budget. And for more information, please refer to CiaoBedBugs.com. In the video description below, you'll discover a list of the most efficient and budget-friendly tools for bed bugs. See you soon.